So today our topic of discussion is the past tense. It is chapter number 5, and here you go. Rewrite these sentences to show that the actions happened in the past. I parked my bicycle before I entered the school. So we have to use proper form of past tense here. It should be I parked. I parked, P-A-R-K-E-D, parked my bicycle before I had entered the school. Why had? One simple past. Next time I have used the past perfect tense. The discussion will be done why it is had. The teacher had signed. Instead of has, it should had signed the notebook before giving them to us. So instead of present past continuous, we'll make it past perfect. See, already past perfect is used, so we'll use on past simple past tense. She gave them to us. I am learning French on weekend. We can write I learned. Now you may be thinking it should be I was learning. No, there should be a mentioning of time in that case. Okay. I had been studying in that school for 10 years before shifting to a new one. So instead of have been, it should be a had been. Before, now it is written shifting. Before I shifted. The gardener waters the plant daily. Instead of water, watered. The sentence you have written in the above exercises are in different forms of the past tense. Let us learn about the form in detail. Simple past tense. Action happened and got completed in the past. Frequently with adverbs of past time, and a past habit. I left the city last year. The teacher gave our copies yesterday. And here, I drank 1 liter of milk every day when I was small. He often slept late at night. So, what we have in our right hand side, that is the past habit, and left hand side, that work got completed. Next, actions were true for some time in the past. Lara lived here in the past. That means, for a certain period of time she had been here. Bunny loved being the secretary. Binny loved being the secretary of the children's club for 2 years. So 3 formats we have got here. Fill in the blanks with the simple past form of the verb in the brackets. I dash you visit him yesterday. Dash you visit him yesterday. So it is written did, so it should be do, it should be did. Next one. I dash 2 parrots as pet when I was young. So instead of have, it should be had. There, this had is not helping verb, but it is showing the possession. Namita tried. Next. Namita tried her best to speak to him, but he be verb, then we will use was. The housekeeper does the household. You have to use manage. So it should be managed. Sarojini Naidu, instead of write, it should be wrote in past form. She does develop, in bracket, a strong liking for mushroom when she was in hills. She developed. The usually cheerful Nikki does very gloomy yesterday. Look, it is given, so it should be looked. The Britishers ruled India for more than 200 years. Who amongst you witnessed robbery last week? So most of the time, 2 ways we are doing this one, converting these things into past tense. By adding ed and sometime without adding ed. If we add ed and convert any present form into past, that is called regular verb. And if we cannot add ed, just like sleep, we cannot write slept. We cannot write, it should be slept. So here ed is not used, so it is irregular. And if you use ed, just like witnessed, witnessed, ed is added, so it is regular verb. I finally dashed the dilemma yesterday. Understand, it should be understood. Remember, read these sentences. I have seen this film last Monday. I saw this film last Monday. Can you guess which of the term is correct and why? The present perfect tense is used for the action that are completed in the present. That means just happen. It cannot be exchanged with the simple past tense. When there are words that indicate past time, just like last month, last week, yesterday, that time you cannot use present perfect tense. You have to use present simple past tense. So we cannot use present perfect tense here. Now your teacher asked you, have you submitted the copies? That time you can reply, yes, I have submitted the copies. It's just done. But something done long back, that one you cannot use in such format. Complete the news report by filling in the suitable present perfect or simple past form of the verb in the bracket. Cyclist hit by a speeding van. A speeding van dash hit a cyclist at Madhusudan Chowk near Rohila. So here we can use has. And here there is no change. The incident it happened yesterday morning when the cyclist was trying to cross the road at the traffic signal. The eyewitness revealed that the cyclist dash at fault. So we can use the eyewitness has revealed. Have witnesses it is given, so have revealed. The cyclist was at fault, and here we should use did not stop. The cyclist sustained minor injuries and was admitted to the nearby Kakkar nursing. So let us keep it as the cyclist sustained minor injuries, and was admitted to the nearby nursing home by some good Samaritans. The police does file a complaint against the van driver. The police have filed a complaint against the van driver for rash driving and against the cyclist for violation of traffic rules. So up to this you write down using pencil in your book. Finding any doubt you can ask me during the live class. Thank you.